How to identify real dementia research breakthroughs. How can we spot genuine breakthroughs in dementia research? It's crucial to know what to look for. Real advancements are grounded in solid scientific evidence and undergo thorough peer review. This means they are published in respected scientific journals after extensive testing, including laboratory studies and clinical trials. These studies often relying on large datasets and experimental models that accurately reflected human disease mechanisms. Next, consider whether the research aligns with established biological understanding. Breakthroughs typically build on existing knowledge about dementia. For instance, recent studies have expanded our understanding of Alzheimer's disease by exploring pathways beyond the traditional focus on amyloid plaques. This includes investigating DNA repair mechanisms and inflammation pathways, which highlight the complexity of dementia and support more targeted treatments. Another key factor is the progress of clinical trials and recognition from regulatory bodies. Genuine breakthroughs advance through various phases of clinical trials, demonstrating safety and efficacy in humans. They may receive special designations from organizations like the Food and Drug Administration, indicating promising potential for diagnosis or treatment. For example, new blood-based biomarker tests for Alzheimer's have shown accuracy comparable to more invasive procedures, improving early detection. Reproducibility is also essential. Findings that can be replicated by independent research groups and validated across different populations are more credible. For instance, discoveries related to immune system molecules that contribute to neurodegeneration have been confirmed in animal models and are being explored for broader neurodegenerative diseases. Real breakthroughs should also have a realistic impact on diagnosis, treatment, or prevention. They should lead to tangible improvements, such as earlier diagnosis or new therapeutic targets. Current advances include antibody treatments that aim to remove beta amyloid to slow Alzheimer's progression. However, it's important to note that these treatments do not stop the disease entirely and come with limitations. Transparency about limitations and risks is vital. Credible research clearly communicates the benefits and risks of new treatments or diagnostics, avoiding exaggerated claims. For example, while antibody therapies show promise, they may cause serious side effects and are not universally effective, which emphasizes the need for ongoing research. Support from established medical authorities and funding agencies is another indicator of a real breakthrough. Research that receives funding from reputable institutions, like the National Institutes of Health, and is presented at major scientific conferences reflects community endorsement and scrutiny. In practical terms, advancements relevant to dementia and memory loss include improved diagnostic tools for earlier detection, lifestyle intervention trials showing cognitive benefits, and emerging therapies targeting multiple disease pathways. Innovations like brain implants to correct neural signaling are still in early stages but representing exciting future potential. In summary, to identify real dementia research breakthroughs, look for studies that are scientifically rigorous, clinically validated, peer-reviewed, supported by regulatory agencies, reproducible, and that realistically enhance our understanding, diagnosis, or treatment of dementia while being transparent about their limitations. Always consult healthcare professionals for personalized medical advice.